If you want to save a Canva presentation as a PDF, this video will walk you through the entire process step by step. It's quick, easy, and perfect if you need to share your presentation, print it, or keep a polished copy offline. Whether you're exporting a school project, a business deck, or a client presentation, Canva gives you a simple way to turn your slides into a PDF in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Canva tips and software tutorials. Now let's jump in. First, go to Canva and open the presentation you want to save. Make sure your design is fully finished and everything looks the way you want it before exporting. Once your presentation is open, look at the top right corner of the screen and click Share. This is where Canva keeps the export and download options, so once you open this menu, you'll see several ways to save or share your design. From the Share menu, click Download. This takes you to the File Export settings, where you can choose exactly how you want your presentation saved. Next, open the File Type dropdown. Here, you'll want to select PDF Standard if you want a smaller file size that's easier to send by email or upload online. If you need higher quality for printing or professional use, choose PDF Print instead. PDF Print usually gives you better detail and sharper output, especially if your presentation includes images, graphics, or branding elements. After that, if you only want to download certain slides, you can select specific pages before exporting. This is useful if you only need part of the presentation or want to leave out a few slides. If you want the full presentation, just leave all pages selected. Once you've confirmed your file type and page selection, go ahead and click Download. Canva will process your presentation and save it as a PDF file to your device. Depending on the size of the presentation and the quality you chose, it may take a few seconds to finish. After the download is complete, open the file to make sure everything exported correctly. Check the layout, spacing, text, and images so you know your PDF looks the way you expected. And that's it. You've now saved your Canva presentation to PDF. It only takes a moment once you know where to click, and now you can easily share, print, or store your presentation in a professional format. If you found this helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.